years ago. Hello mga brides! Ako po si Joselle Alandy and nakarelate kayo, no? But that was me 3 years ago before this book came. And yes, ako yung naka-judge sa libro na yan. So tama na yung pagpapaka-braids nyo because help is here. This book is a step-by-step wedding planning guide. From checklist to timeline to list of wedding suppliers, do's and don'ts, tips, lahat na. At hindi lang yon, grabe, ang bongga talaga. Meron pang free wedding seminars and expo. So I'm sure yung mga brides, alam nyo kung ano yung expo. So it's an event wherein nag-gather yung mga suppliers and they offer, you know, special packages, special promos. Grabe, in short, pinadahin ni Miss Jen ang buhay ng mga brides. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? We have limited slots, so make sure na naka-register kayo and grab your copy now. Yun lang guys. We'll see you there. Bye!